Welcome to our video on the benefits and considerations of turmeric supplements. In this video, we'll explore the potential health benefits of turmeric, discuss a simple recipe for turmeric water, and examine what it says about its effectiveness. Let's get started. Turmeric, a vibrant spice native to Southeast Asia, has been used for over 4,000 years in traditional medicine practices like Ayurveda. It contains curcumin, a compound known for its strong anti-inflammatory properties. One popular way to incorporate turmeric into your routine is by making turmeric water. It's a simple and refreshing concoction with potential health benefits. According to Ujjwala Bakshi, a registered dietitian, turmeric water is packed with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, eliminate toxins, and boost immunity. To enhance its benefits, adding a sprinkle of black pepper can increase its anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric water can be consumed at any time of the day, whether it's in the morning on an empty stomach or alongside meals. Its wholesomeness can bring a delicious flavor and potential health benefits to your daily routine. In India, turmeric holds cultural significance and is considered as holy spice. It's used in cooking, rituals, and ceremonies. The vibrant yellow turmeric root is not only used for savory dishes, but also to prepare golden milk lattes, known for their immune-boosting properties. Turmeric is not limited to culinary uses. It can also be found in various skincare products due to its brightening and smoothing effects on complexions. Now, let's examine the scientific research on turmeric and its potential health benefits. While many claims about turmeric's benefits are based on cell and animal studies, the effects on humans are less clear. Some studies suggest that turmeric's compounds, particularly curcuminoids, have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. However, most of these findings are limited to lab studies, and more research is needed to understand their impact on human health. Turmeric supplements are widely marketed as anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving aid, especially for conditions like arthritis. While human trials show modest benefits, the quality and consistency of these studies varies, making it challenging to make definitive recommendations. Turmeric has also been suggested to have anti-cancer properties, particularly in lab studies. However, more research is needed to determine its effectiveness in reducing cancer risk or supporting cancer treatment in humans. Some studies explore turmeric's potential effects on brain function and cognitive health, but the results are inconclusive due to small study sizes and variations in design and measurement. One challenge with turmeric is its absorption in the body. Curcumin, the main compound in turmeric, has low solubility in water, making it difficult for the body to absorb. However, some research suggests that turmeric may work by acting on bacteria in our guts, bypassing the need for extensive absorption into the bloodstream. Despite the challenges and uncertainties, turmeric remains a delightful spice that adds a pleasant earthy flavor and vibrant yellow color to our favorite dishes. Enjoy turmeric as a culinary ingredient and embrace its cultural significance. It's important to remember that no single spice or supplement can substitute for a healthy lifestyle. Maintaining a balanced diet, regular exercise, and consulting with healthcare professionals are key to overall well-being. While its anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidant effects are promising, more research is needed to understand its true impact on human health. Adding turmeric to your diet can be a flavorful and enjoyable addition, but it's essential to approach its benefits with a balanced perspective. Thank you for watching our video on turmeric supplements. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Remember to make informed choices and embrace a holistic approach to your well-being. Stay healthy and vibrant. Goodbye.